Movement of the gastrointestinal tract. Hello everyone. Today, I will explain the movement of the gastrointestinal tract, which is responsible for transporting, mixing, digesting, and absorbing food throughout the digestive system. The process begins in the mouth, where food is chewed and mixed with saliva to form a soft mass called a bolus. Next comes swallowing, also known as deglutition. Swallowing occurs in 3 phases. The first is the oral phase. In this voluntary phase, the tongue pushes the bolus toward the pharynx. The second is the pharyngeal phase. This is an involuntary phase in which the bolus passes from the pharynx into the esophagus. During this process, the airway is protected, preventing food from entering the respiratory tract. The third is the esophageal phase. Here, rhythmic contractions called peristalsis move the bolus down the esophagus and into the stomach. Inside the stomach, food is mixed with gastric secretions through strong muscular contractions. These movements help break food into smaller particles and convert it into a semi-liquid substance called chyme. The stomach exhibits different types of movements, including mixing movements and propulsive movements. These movements ensure proper digestion and gradual emptying of stomach contents into the small intestine. Gastric emptying is regulated by both nervous and hormonal factors. The rate of emptying depends on factors such as duodenal distension, irritation of the intestinal mucosa, acidity, osmolarity of chyme, and the presence of digestion products of proteins and fats. In the small intestine, movements help mix chyme with digestive juices and bring nutrients into contact with the intestinal wall for absorption. The main movements are segmentation and peristalsis. Segmentation movements mix the intestinal contents, while peristaltic movements propel them forward through the digestive tract. The large intestine performs 2 major functions: absorption of water and electrolytes, and formation and storage of feces. The large intestine shows mixing movements, known as haustral contractions, and propulsive movements, known as mass movements. These movements help move fecal matter toward the rectum for elimination. Thus, coordinated movements throughout the gastrointestinal tract ensure efficient digestion, absorption of nutrients, and removal of waste products from the body. Thank you.